Well, I just watched another live webinar posted by a couple people that are in command of this Save Club thing, and they're Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. I record them, and I put a link right below this video on my YouTube channel. And if you're already a member of Save Club, you can watch those webinars anytime, okay? You will get an email, and like I said, you can watch them live, or go ahead and record them and watch them at your leisure. And that's what about 99% of people do. Okay, let me show you a couple things that we learned from the webinar today. Okay, and if you have not joined Save Club, or if you want more information, please just go to the official link, joinsaveclub.org, and go ahead and fill out this little area right here and hit that orange button. And then watch the little YouTube video as well. This is our founder, Charles, talking for a little bit, and you can get to know him as well. Okay, this is the home page to Save Club when you log in. You can walk in too. You can walk through your computer screen, but it's easier to go to saveclub.com, enter your username and password, and this is the home page. Now, go down to training, the training tab. Check this out. This is brand new. Now, you can watch this little YouTube video. Just watch it one time. It's just kind of welcomes you. Now, training portal. This is brand spanking new. Check this out. It's pretty cool. Save Club training, tips on watching these training videos. And you can see they just have little arrows, short little videos. All right. The very first goal for you to hit the rank of 1 star. To do this, you just need to sign up. How many people? Looks like 2, right? Average person that uses our saving club saves about $100 to $200 a month. I can attest to that. I'm well over $900 on my first 2 months. Okay, so first 60 days, 900. I'm very, very happy just on the membership side of Save Club. Okay, it's not that hard to find people that want to save money on restaurants, travel, and shopping. And I agree. You just don't have to be, don't be shy. This is not like MLM. This is not Tupperware, Avon. You're not recommending a bunch of high-priced crap so you can make money off your friends. This is where you're going to offer somebody just to watch a video. And if they want to join Save Club, great. And if they don't, that way you're not embarrassed. They're not going to come over and wring your neck, so to speak, because you're trying to sell them $29 shampoo that's only worth like $1. Okay? So anyway, set your goal. Watch this. Find your capture page. This is important because without your capture page, you can't capture people. You need to capture them, tie them up, and tickle their feet. Okay. Copy our posts. Use our pre-made videos and graphics. And guys, very exciting because the videos and graphics, the pictures, they're already there. There's going to be thousands of videos and pictures. There's hundreds and hundreds now as of June 26th, and we're only 26 days old. That's when we kicked Save Club off. So go and watch this video. It'll show you exactly where, and I'm going to show you before this video is done, where you can just download the pictures and videos so you own them. Put them on your laptop, home computer, or your phone. It's up to you. But just click anywhere here, boom, or that little button. It's like watching a YouTube video. You guys will figure it out. How to post on Facebook. Look at this, Facebook group pages, TikTok, Instagram, X, which is Twitter, LinkedIn. A lot of people forget about LinkedIn. And of course, the mighty YouTube, that's my favorite. Understand how to save money. Look at this. All these are short little videos. Example on women's savings. Guys, that's right. Or guys, if you want to buy some lingerie and have sexy night with yourself, I mean, I don't care. And ladies, if you want to dress like a dude, man, it's 2025. Everyone's dressing however the hell they want, right? Making money. Look at this. Click that button. Understand the comp plan. This is by far the biggest pain in the ass where people get all tripped up. Guys, we get paid 5 different ways. Just watch the dang compensation video. And if people want to know what it is, send a link to this exact video. Let the video do everything. Let the videos do all the recruiting, all the explaining about Save Club. All right, that's it. Now, let's go back to the page. And remember, you go to saveclub.com, log in, go to the training tab, and this is it here. So I just showed you the training portal. Now the marketing materials are awesome. It's just that orange button. Do you see all these, I guess you'd call them folders, and see the date. You can see when they're uploaded. text messages, social media posts. Look at this, funnel reels. Those are little tiny reels that are like, they average of what, 10, 15 seconds? And you can see the date here. 6/1 just means June 1st. And remember, we kicked off June 1st. But we had a prelim stage where you could kind of pre-launch a little bit. So you can see for 30 days, there was a lot of videos and a lot of training going, guys, coming up June 1st, we're going to kick off this. Go ahead and use all these promo materials and videos. All you got to do, if you want, this is what I do. See these little buttons, the far right? They're 3 little buttons. What are they? 3 little dots, I guess. Okay, let's just go to, how about training? Click those little buttons. Now, do you see where it says download? When you click download, everything inside these folders will download wherever you tell it to. Now, I'm on a home computer, so if I want to save this on my home computer, let's say I just make a folder on my desktop that says Save Club Training, Save Club Text Messages, Save Club Social Media Posts. You can see just on your screen there. And the webinar reels. Save everything. That way you don't have to log in every single time to get to this page. All right. If you have 4 or 5 computers, go to all 4 or 5 computers, log into Save Club, and save all of this information. These are very powerful. In my opinion, I think video is the most effective. So since we have hundreds of videos and we're going to have thousands, do you realize every Monday we dump new training and materials in this back area right here? Okay. So let me just repeat. How did I get all this free training and materials? Okay, here we go. Log into saveclub.com, go to training tab, and go to the marketing materials, this little orange button. Pretty cool, right? Now, the compensation plan, I've written customer service, I don't know how many times. This is misspelled, and we know it. It's not spelled right. It looks like constipation plan. If you want to just print it out like in a PDF file, just click this button and you can do so. Still, by far the easiest thing to do, if people ask, how do we get paid? The 5 ways, how do we get paid? Please just send them this video. It's well made. It's made by Save Club. It's just a YouTube video. And let me just show you how easy it is. Click that little button there. See where it says share? Click share. Boom, there it is right there. And you can even save it. Like I use Google Chrome. Just go ahead and copy, draw up this video, and then just, what is it, the little star? Let me just move my head. See that little star right there above my little white hat? Click that, and you can go ahead and just save this link. You don't have to log in. Go to the training tab and find this link. You'll get real good at organizing things, because one of my most popular questions every week by far is, how do we get paid? So what I do is I just tell them, hey, watch this video. Watch it 3-4 times and you'll get it. Done. I will never talk about the comp plan. You'll get a headache. You'll screw it up. You'll bore yourself and the person you're telling about it. And sometimes people are like, oh, God, this is a headache. I don't even want to do Save Club as an affiliate. I just want to save money. Okay, you want to be an affiliate. So don't try to explain the comp plan. It's so much easier if you go ahead and just screw it. Video. And that's what I do to promote everything. How do you do the My Deals? How do you log in? Okay, how do you do this? How do I do that? Guess what? There's videos for everything. But one of the most effective things that we just released is right here in the training tab. Hit the training portal. This is the first thing I tell everyone in my downline. Please watch. See these? These are tips. Look at this. Look at that. Everything you need to do to kick ass is right here. Isn't that awesome? I'm not kidding you. If you just watch these short videos and do what I do, just make things fun. You know what I do all day, honestly? I go ahead and invite people to that link, because when people go to joinsaveclub.com, you're probably going to watch this little video as well of our founder. And when you put your name and information in here and click that orange button, you're going to go ahead and get a pretty cool Save Club email. And from there you can join. Or if you don't want to join, you just delete it and you're on your way. Or if you just want to save money on things you're already going to buy, or maybe buy in the future, like vacation, who knows what, maybe a new tooth, a new eyeball, some new tires. There's a lot of stuff that you might have to buy. But it's up to you. Do you want to just save money, or do you want to save money and earn money too as an affiliate? Hit that link, okay? I'll show you one more time. Guys, thanks for the last 10 minutes. I appreciate you watching these darn videos. I have a lot of fun making them. I think you're going to be very successful in Save Club too, because the training is there. For $19.97 plus that $60 to be an affiliate, for $80, holy crap, guys. What a great opportunity. There's no reason why you can't kick butt. That's my opinion. I think you're going to do very well with this. So join saveclub.org. Do some organ. Okay, so Save Club right there. You got the link. And get a hold of me if you need something, Cory at CoryDraper.com. I'm always here. And you're right there. Okay, peace and love, guys. Thanks again for your time. And subscribe to my YouTube channel. Take care. Bye.